Installing the fuser maintenance kit in the Lexmark E230, 330, and 340 series printers. Be sure you turn your printer off, remove the power cord, and let it cool for 30 minutes before you begin. Open up your front cover, and on the right cover you'll discover two tabs. Press the tabs in and the door will open like a door hinge. Lift the printer and the door comes off. On the left side there's one screw you have to remove. There are also two tabs. Press on the tabs and it also opens up like a door. On the rear cover, remove the screws. Open the back exit cover and lift up and away, and the cover comes off. There are 3 screws on the rear exit guide. Remove those 3 screws. And the exit guide will then lift off, exposing the fuser. Now, for illustration purposes, there is a cover over the controller board that we've already removed, but there's a couple screws that cover that, and you'll need to remove these cables. There's a black, blue, and red 3-conductor cable and a black 2-conductor cable. Those will feed through the side plate, feed them over to the fuser, and then you can remove the 2 screws that hold the fuser in. Again, there's a metal cover on that side where the controller is. A couple screws and that cover will come off that's covering the controller. After your fuser screws are out, slide the fuser out, and there are 2 cables you'll see on the right side of the fuser. Remove those 2 cables. There's a blue one and then a black one. And your fuser comes out. Take your new fuser, install the black cable on the new fuser, and the blue cable. Slide your fuser in, watch your sensor cables on the right side, make sure they're out of the way, slide it in and align the fuser with the screw holes, and then reinstall your screws. Take your sensor cables and thread those back through the side frame, back over to the controller card. Again, there's a 3-conductor, black, blue, and red, and then the 2-conductor black cable. Plug those into the controller card, and then replace your controller cover. You can see where they plug in. The closer one is the black one, 2-conductor, and the 3-conductor is a little further. There's a 3-position connector there. Put your cover back on your controller. Note the blue cable on the right of the fuser is tucked in. Then reinstall your exit guide and the 3 screws there. Your rear exit cover has 2 flanges that stick out that line up with holes in the frame. Line those flanges up on the left and the right side on the lower frame holes, and then reinstall your screws. Close your rear cover and your back cover is now on. If you let your printer hang off the desk about 2 inches, you can locate the hinge pins on the bottom and the top. Take your cover, locate the hinge pin on the bottom first, and then it'll snap in on the top hinge pin. Then you can move around to the front of the printer, snap in your 2 guides, press them in, and it'll snap into their slots. There's 1 screw to install Same on the right side. Locate the lower hinge pin, snap it in on the top, bring it around, and then snap in the front. You're done. Close your front cover, and you can power your printer back up. It's complete.